Hold up.
Hello mga kaswangers! Welcome back to my channel! So, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Click the bell button below so that you will be notified on my next videos. So in today's video guys, I'll be going to share to you on how I do my brown smoky eyeshadow. So disclaimer lang guys, I am not a pro. I just love playing or doing makeups. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So before we start guys, no, short story lang. I was thinking unsa ang interesting topic since I'm fairly new on this industry, on this, YouTube community. So I was thinking kung unsa ang nindot nga topic or unsa ang nindot nga content sa video. As I was thinking guys, na remember nako ang childhood memories nako. I was still on elementary, high school, and during those times, I've been wearing makeup na jud guys. Even grade 5 ko guys, nag-wear na ko og makeup, and then mostly sa ako ang gina-wear nga makeup agid siya brown, and I was just using my fingers kay wala biya ako ka-afford pa og brushes. Unya ang available pa before kay katuging applicator nga gagmay kaayo nga foam. Maora gid siya ang available sa una sa ako ang type. And then I was really doing eyeshadow nga brown lang. Like smoky lang gid, mao gid na ako ang first nga learn nga eyeshadow until high school. Akong always nga i-wear is brown and then white nga eyeshadow. Mao ra gid to guys. So I came up to an idea nga why not share on how I do my brown smoky eyeshadow, since very easy ra gid siya guys. Pwede ra galig maka-use ra ka og kanang brown eyeliner lang, brown pencil, brown on how you call it. Pwede na dyan kayo na siya guys, it depends on you. So tips lang guys, no, invest on a good quality brushes. Daghan na kaayo ka makita karon guys nga mga affordable brushes. Makita nimo siya sa mga online shops like Lazada, Shopee. Invest mo guys kay super affordable na kaayo. And then we can learn together new techniques, diba? Even for myself guys, I still need to learn more. I still need to practice more. Because guys, I believe that practice makes perfect. Okay? So hopefully guys, we can learn new things together. We can learn new techniques together. And that's it. Kay murag daghan na jud kay kung natabi diri no. Without further ado, let's start! So I just did my foundation, my eyebrows, and my concealers off cam guys, since I want this video to focus on the eyeshadow only, since this is the purpose of the video. So I wanted to share some techniques that I've learned in this past few years. The first look that I've learned guys is the smoky brown eyeshadow. This was the eyeshadow mostly ginagamit nako before sa akong clients and to myself also, since easy ra siya and you can actually use any eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow you have. So let's start. First, let's use concealer. You can use any concealer you have. I'll be using my Naturactor on the shade of 141. I'm gonna use my finger, just put it directly on my eyelids. Since wala man ko eyeshadow primer guys, I'll be using concealer. So after putting the concealer guys, let's proceed to the eyeshadow. Use any brown eyeshadow you have as long as it's matte. Matte because perfect siya, dili siya lisod i-blend guys. I'll be using my H&M Candied Almond, my favorite shade of brown. And the technique guys is just raise your kilay. iisa imo ang kilay, and then when you see this crease, di ba nagbutan na tag concealer guys? You can actually see that there's something kanang mura siyag shadowy ug style ba. So anha na to iput ang ato ang eyeshadow this one, di ba? So let's put the brown eyeshadow there. Here. Di ba? Kita ninyo guys? Ato na siyang butang tap lang ang style, tap ka. I decided to use the matte eyeshadow guys, since para sa ako easy siya i-blend, like mas mo create siya og shadowy effect if dili siya shimmery brown eyeshadow. And then at this point you just need to blend like that. Just blend it guys. Just blend it guys until you are satisfied on the color. So at this moment guys, after you blend it and satisfied on the color, get a darker shade of brown. I'll be using my Kate. It's pangkilay guys. Like it's a powder pangkilay, but I'll be using this dark shade of brown and then put it here. Put it here guys, here. Just put the darker brown eyeshadow on the inner crease of your eyes. Pa-inwards lang ang ato ang stroke guys, kay ato na siyang i-blend later. Focus lang kita sa inner crease guys. Then once na build up na nimo ang darker shade, pwede na ka mag-blend pa outer crease sa imuhang eyeshadow. Then if satisfied na ka sa pa-smoky effect sa imong eyeshadow, then you can blend it to the middle crease and in the inner crease of your eyes. Take your time on blending the eyeshadow para mas makuha nimo ang imuhang ganahan nga effect. So guys, happy na ko sa result. So using the same shade of brown, ako na siyang gamiton sa ako ang lower lash line. So muna na siya guys. So let's proceed to the other side guys. So after blending guys, after feel mo satisfied na ka sa color niya, sa resulta niya, sa ihang pagka-blend, feel mo nga happy na ka, then let's proceed to the shimmery eyeshadow nga ato ang ibutang sa center. I'll be using my H&M Mojave, this shade guys. This is a shimmery brown. Just using my finger, I'll put that on the center katong wala ni mo na koloran nga part. So I'll put the shimmery shadow. And after that guys, I'll be using this Aura Glow in a shade of Shining. Ato siyang patungan ani para mas mo kuan pagid siya, para mas mulutaw pag yun pagka-glow. And then just blend it again. Using the same highlighter guys, let's put that on our brow bone area. So I'll be using my Wet n Wild highlighter, the inner corner guys, here, on the tear duct. So after that guys, I'll be using my Fashion 21 liquid eyeliner. Just let it dry. After that, let's curl our lashes. And then put on some mascara. Let's use the same brown pencil on our waterline. And then let's put on mascara on our lower lashes. And then let's use this Sheer Tan Solar Flare Bronzing Powder from H&M. Ayan. Wala na gid siya guys. Hit tapan ako, hapit na mahurot. I'm gonna use this blush guys from Vice Cosmetics, Aura Blush in a shade of Title. I'm gonna use the same highlighter to put it here. For the lips pala guys, I'll be using this Nude Nuance from Maybelline. Ayan. And then, patungan na to siya aning H&M. I'm in Chalk Cream. Just do my lashes guys, and I'll be right back. ano na siya guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope nga nakatabang ko sa inyo ha. Tanglang ko og background. Comment down below if you prefer nga katong ganiha nga walay background or karon nga naa nay background. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Comment down below kung unsa inyohang mga na-learn sa video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Click the bell button below so that you will be notified on my next videos. Okay guys, and hope everyone is safe. Bye!